what you need is just to walk. How you walk, how you develop your stamina. You don't have to tunatembea bila kushikana bila kuachana. But balloon zote zitakuwa ngapi?
11.
Zitakuwa 10. Zitakuwa 10. The one extra is for your emergency. Are you getting? Kumaanisha mtu wa mbele atakuwa na kitu, si ndio? Na mtu wa nyuma kabisa atakuwa na kitu, si ndio? So ni watu katikati peke yake. That means only 10 will be used. Is that okay?
Yes.
Then one is a spare.
Yes. Right. Left. Right. Left. Fika.
It was about entrusting the delicate work to my colleague, and out of it, how we mobilized, how we could walk. It was so difficult for us because you are told don't touch, but you have to move. So it created a lot of concentration. So we had to concentrate a lot out of it.
Wonderful. Appreciate them. Bless you. Turn up at you. Yes. Focus and coordination. Appreciate them. Your second point. Umemaliza. Hawana mkono mwingine. Okay. No, it's okay. Yes. Leadership. Okay, appreciate them. Okay, your second point. Teamwork.
And working as a unit.
Appreciate them. Above. Let's go. Above. Sawa, tumeshika hiyo. For us like this, you do. You want to take it? Okay, let's go. You know, Magoti. You know, Papa. Hey, the other person. Are you getting? For example, if I could be a CEO, unajua nikiwa CEO, for example, I'm looking at so many things at once, you know? So by the time I come and make a decision and tell you guys to do something, I have resonated with all of you, si ndio? So maybe wewe utapenda kitu nimesema ama venye nimesema mfanye kitu and then you react. But if you took your time to understand who I am, my position and my responsibility and accountability, you will not have reacted to that. Are you getting? So always seek first to understand before you are understood. Then you will create what we call interdependency state. Amen? You don't go to do.
Left. Hold.
Hands. Pole.
Left. Right. Turn sasa pole. Make sure na turn pole. Right. Andrew, relax. Pause. Aya, twende tena. Kula kitu. Tuanga. Aya, chukua hiyo stuff. Chukua, twende. Very good. Twende. service.
My life, do you wanna have my wife? Do you wanna take my life? Do you wanna have my wife?
On your mark, get set, begin.
Hakubaliwi kuingia.
Enda right. You are going left. You are left. You are left. Stop. Right now. Yes.
R for right. To the left.
No. Come back.
Anybody something to say about the last? Yes, please.
If you listen to the noise from other people, you may not get what you want. Number one. And when I just contemplate it with the nature of the work we are doing, don't mind, don't pay attention to what other companies are doing. Just pay attention where your group is and pay attention to your group. Avoid Mwananchi, send service and whatever. Concentrate to our people.
Yes, wonderful. Appreciate him. See, you're blindfolded. You don't know what to do, but you're being told what to do.
Yeah.
So what does that mean? You as an individual, you have to trust and you have to listen. You getting? So why you don't know?
To listen my team.
Yes,
Yeah,
listen.
not other propagandas.
Yes, you are team. So there are two things happening here. Are you getting? There's the person sending the communication and there's the person receiving that communication. So both of them have to work hand in hand. Mwenye unaambiwa enda, lazima usikize ule, si ndio? Juu ule anakuguide. So mwenye anakuguide anaona, wewe uoni, pia lazima umsikize na umtrust na ufollow kitu anasema. Is that okay?
Yes.
Wonderful. Any other? Yes.
You should always learn to identify low line and the big tickets that you have to take long. Yes. For a team, will you know another thing like that?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's a low line fruit. So so we do akienda pale hata kuwa na shida ya raba najua ni hiyo. And then the big tickets in our business which take longer time. Now you start to do it.
Nice. Appreciate what works for you. Stick to that. Don't try and copy somebody else out there and bring it back to you. Stick to your game. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Anybody else? Yes, please.
Identify your strong point.
What about it?
Like, but saizi vyetu kuna design. So tulijua the first one akienda atoe ile, the second ni rahisi ajue yake, kuingine style yake. So you should identify your strong point when you concentrate.
Wonderful. Appreciate her. Hii mostly wase wa HR. But lazima ujue strength ya wase wako. Jua who is capable to do what and at what time. Who is flexible to do what and at what time.
Right.
So that you don't waste time putting somebody who is not good in something, forcing them to do it. Are you getting? Yeah. If somebody is good and they love doing the field work, let them do. Are you getting? Unless kama you want now to do a balance, whereby mtu unajua akienda nje kuna ka allowance, usiwache pia watu wengine wakae kwa ofisi sana pia wakokose kakiru. You only balance where it's a must for you to balance. But always put your best foot forward. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Any other?
On behalf of our team leader,
Yes.
can say, okay, matters we lost narrowly.
That was narrow. But you see, we are supposed to match as there's somebody else who is ahead of you. Just concentrate on it.
what I caught up from the point of listening is that irrespective of your status in that organization, always listen to the instructions, because that one leads you to complete your task
Easily.
Yeah.
Nice one. Appreciate him. Yes, please.
Okay. My part, kuna voices. Identify your voice of your part. Because everybody was shouting. Utajua nani anakwambia the right, nani anakwambia left. Does he or she? Yes. So the problem with the other team yenye imechelewa, walikuwa hawajui nani anasikiza. But sisi, our team, I'm talking from the Lion Group. We identify one person who was guiding the person. Right, left, slow, go ahead.
But we are shouting at the others.
Yes. So the other team, we were distracting them.
Yes.
Walikuwa maeta.
Sisi tunashauri huko na huko wetu ndio aweze kusikia.
In business, yes, your competitor, yes, in business, yes, your competitor is not happy when you are doing what? You are succeeding.
Yes.
So you are not happy when you are succeeding. That is why you are distracting you, and because you, instead of concentrating, you buy our watch.
What's idea?
So I realized there are two things. First, we must have the individual strategy plan first. So what I did, I looked at where the shoe is, try to focus so that I can have a straight line. So as I had that, then I realized now, if I'm moving, now listen to my leader. There's so many noise. But now, my leader not will tell me whether I'm moving to the left or to the right. So I was using I had a strategy, but now my leader was guiding me to ensure that I have to rest. And also it was easy for me now to do.
Yes. Well, that is the law of effectiveness. Appreciate him. Yes.
Just follow the last one.
Okay.
You always understand this.
Yes.
Because you see, I leave the other side. The last person, you very well she doesn't have this. Right? But she was among the people who jumped saying that we will forget that no, she doesn't have it. You need to understand yourself first. Right?
Yourself. Now. Yes, please. Yes. Yes. It was in a motivating way. See?
Leaders. I liked how you guys were doing it. Umepa instructions hapa funga hawa, but you're busy looking at whether your team is winning. So that one is trying to tell you, like, you are more focused to your team than others. So what people do for Izwe, let's not look at team leader mwingine anafanya, focus with your team. Is my team performing? Yache kuangalia wengine whether na perform.
And how best can you assist your team to win? Are you getting? That is always the strategy. Wonderful, appreciate her. To carry back to your organization is what is going to make the difference. Sawa. Some success is not defined by what we get, but what we learn during the process. So we've done the process, but what we've learned all through is what that counts. I want to thank you guys for giving us the opportunity to come and be part of your day today. Izwe, that we are going way. So, oh, it is the easy way. Oh, I got it. It's the easy way, and we are happy and glad to be part of you today. God our bless. We came here because of her. She's a good friend of mine. But nilisema tu when I request I come and be with you guys. Nilisema tu nisikatae. So that is why I came here. Personally, I came because of her. Personally, because of her. It's so personal. She understands when I say personally. Yeah, I did this for you. Yes, I did this for you.
We appreciate
Mother, you are a guy. Karibu tena.
Thank you.
Mimi nakaa tutakuwa ni pesa super fun. Ni ngumu kujua nani boss, nani si boss. So, yeah, and I tell you what, that's the thing. That's the thing by doing. Unajua acha niwape example ya kidheri. Unajua kidheri imepikiwa pale mtaani, utaona useme hapa mahindi ni mingi kushinda maharagwe. Unaona? Watu kionanga ile kidheri imepikiwa ushago, inakuanga imechanganywa vizuri. Yeah, the point, yeah. the point is mko na ukienyeji mzuri. Unaona? Yeah, you guys have that ukienyeji mzuri, which is a good thing, because mpaka saa hizi I don't know who's the boss until this moment. I don't know who's the boss, and it's okay, don't even tell me you're the boss. No, don't tell me you're the boss. The thing is as a group, as a team, as a group, mukigrow hivyo, kama naweza kuapproach you my boss, but I can approach you anywhere anytime, na nikuelezea hata kitu ya kazi na tuko hapa ndio uniambia kesho ukuje tafanya hivi. That's the thing. Hiyo ndio kitu inatufanya tunasonga pale. Hiyo ndio kitu inatufanya tuko better than others. We're not competing, right? Yeah. We're just competing within ourselves. But hiyo ndio inatufanya tuko better than others. No. One thing why we spend outside competition. Wanasemaga a rose flower smells better than a cabbage. But that doesn't mean it makes a better stew. Right? No. Yeah. So one thing as to why it's like outside competition, no. Just stick with this. Ni nini shida yetu tunatatua aje? Si nani walifanya aje? Haitatusaidia at the end of the day. No. So let's continue keeping up the spirit. Sisi tukiitwa next time tutakuja. Okay, we do this for a fee. But tukiitwa next time tutakuja. Because you guys are fun. Tunafurahia kukuwa na nyinyi. Okay, sisi sema hii siku imeenda bure because I love listening. I listen a lot. I learn a lot. No. So live, love, no. Live, lose, win. You either you live whether you lose or you win. No. You guys have a good day.
So this is that moment. IBC has to give results at the end of the day. Yes. If you listen to the instructions. If you win any game, yes. If you never follow the instructions, there are marks deducted. So that one place you have to either number 1, number 2, number 3. As for the winner, tutaona na on man. Unitafute mimi. You know you are in the house of winning today. Senior man Kakiru. Yes. Kakiru. Chaniona mtimba mimi nitakuona.
Domino effect.
Yes. So thank you so much, Washington and your team. I used to do part-time team building. I'm an MC and everything. So he's a good friend of mine, and I decided since the team building, let's have someone at least at step to. And I'm glad you guys enjoyed it and you learned a lot. I'm sure kuna watu agenda team building, but today at least you've had an idea of what a team building is. Yeah. Only that maybe facilitator does it differently in other institutions, but I'm glad today we had ours and we learned something. Yeah. So at position 3, we have none other than, with a max of 350, we had 5 games. We had introduction where we were being awarded 50 marks out of 100. And then we had song, which we are supposed to sing and demonstrate or dramatize. Number 3, we had nursery song as well. Number 4, we had the stick run, where you had to exchange sticks. And then number 5, we had balloon carrying. These activities zote mmefanya. Then last but not least, we had shoe searching. So at position 3, we have 350 marks. Is none other than Victoria. So the winner together between the Eagles and the Sea. Is this a lion or we are going to fly? At position 2, at position 2 with 410 marks, we have Azala. The Eagles!
Utarudia hujadu. IBC mfanye makosa. Kelele. Ah, twende hapo. 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 Haya, stretch your hands.